Right, see this place? This place? We gotta lock this kid up right now. You see him down the street? You see him? You see him? Oh, where is he? Where is he? There he's there. We can lock him up. Hello? Would you like to have some lollies? Do you want to have lollies and everything? Yes, it does. Especially for you. Yes. Come on, come here. Yeah. Then where's your mum and dad? Oh, don't worry about them. You can tell them the time of your life after this trip. Don't call them, don't call them. Alright, now come on, come in here.
Where's the chocolate?
Just down there, just have a look, just look in there a bit more. Just look, just put your head down. Yeah.
Oh, come here.
Do you find the lollies? Well, I can't let you out until you get the lollies.
I can't find any lollies. Can you get me out of here?
No. You're never going to get out of this bed, Avery. You got marriage problems, have you? Do you have any phones on you? Give it to me right now.
I'll get it for you. There you go.
Yeah, thank you. Give it to me now. Give me the phone.
Mama, please.
Give me the phone. Give me the phone.
Please.
Oh, shut up!